Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday morning. So let's see, we call this Wonderful Wednesday. I use that a lot, I know. Last night we did something simple and American. Papa Murphy's pizza. Yeah. Nice little break. Not really a break. Yeah. That was the USA. Tonight, I'm doing Greek. We're going to the Greek Isles for tonight's dinner. And that's Spanakopita. It's a German spinach pie. Now, I have done this recipe once or twice, but this is using a different little method than I've done before. Let me show you. Hardware, baking dish. On this method and this ingredient list is phyllo dough. I have another recipe for this, for Spanakopita, that uses puff pastry. So it's the phyllo, spinach, of course, eggs, yellow onion, feta cheese, lots of olive oil. I will be actually using extra virgin for this, not my pumice. Some dried dill, lots of parsley, garlic, and fresh black pepper. What's interesting is the phyllo gets layered in the pan with then olive oil, then more layers, then olive oil, and so forth. And then you put it the spinach mixture and so forth, and then you put some top layers of phyllo dough. Yeah. Yesterday, we had some new toys come into the kitchen here at the Casual Chef. The reason is, this is our old 2-cup. Now, if you notice, you barely can see the numbers. Now, we have this 2-cup and a 4-cup manufactured by the same company, and it's not Pyrex. Okay, so as an early Christmas present to the kitchen and the house, we bought a 3-set. It's a 4-cup, a 2-cup, and another 1-cup. So this will give me a total of 3 1-cup. The lids, these are silicone, rubberish silicone lids, actually are sold separately. Yeah, it was really cool because they have a notch out, for pouring, or holes for straining. Yeah. So, because as you know, I do a lot of marinades and stuff, and so forth, or in sauces, way in advance. So having these lids would be nice, dishwasher safe, blah blah blah. And these are all Pyrex. The other thing, this is one of my 2-cup. This is my tablespoon that I've been using for years and years and years. And there's the full set there. I love this set. This was originally in my knife bag, but you can't read the numbers anymore. So I found this unique set. This is by OXO, and you see no rings. They're 2-sided. Apparently, didn't realize you had this with measuring spoons, but this is the dry side, very narrow, so you can get them into narrow jars, and this is apparently the wet side. But what makes this unique, they're magnetic. And you can definitely read the numbers. And it comes with, Robin and I really thought this was funny, a leveling bar, like you're going to level, like you do with flour and other dry ingredients. So, yeah, they're all magnetic. Yeah, pretty cool. But that's so we can read. We're getting old. But as you can see, our stuff's basically worn off. And then I bought for my herb and spice blend manufacturing a funnel. Yeah, this can make things life easier. Just kind of a thought. These 2 measuring cups are probably, because Robin had them before we got together, and we've been together 25 years. So these probably have had, 35 plus years of hand washing and dishwasher washing and lots of love and care. So yeah, and as you can see, I got shorn. I feel so much better. So much better. So yeah, I got shorn. I got new goodies in the kitchen. I'm doing something new with phyllo dough. Life can't be any better. All right. On this wonderful Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and as always, have fun cooking.